Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, sorry for not posting for the last 8 months. I was really busy with school and dealing with some personal stuff. But yeah, I hope you all are doing great. So, in today's video, I will be doing another giveaway. And it's really simple to enter. So all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below your Roblox username. So guys, the pet I will be giving away is Mrs. Whisker Pips, and I will be picking 2 winners, so you will have more chance of winning. So don't forget to join, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.